Halo Olketa, mo welcome ikam luan narafala storian blong pikinini kona. Today storian blumi hemi about kastom festival. One time long one village, I got one small girl mo name blong hem Dolani. Dolani I like him too much blong danis. Every day time sunny go down, hemi stop sing mo danis. Mo hemi stop mekem ol narafala pikinini oli like him blong watch him. Ol danis ya hemi ol kastom danis. Tang we hemi smoli kam, hemi stop look ol uncle blong hem oli stop danis. Oli stop sing with them deep voice. Mo ol woman oli stop mekem ol beautiful jump step blong ol keta. One day Dolani talem say, "Time me danis, me feel him all say me stop fly with the wind. Me feel him say me stop glad all way no more." After when Dolani come back long school, hemi mas go long nakamal plong I practice. Now Dolani is have a good old jump step, clap him hand, mo sing with them all small voice. Now I got one old flower woman long village here. Name blong him Mama Nancy. Hemi look him now mo italem say, "Dolani, you got one good fella voice. Mo small sweet voice plong you ya is have make him danis plong you me is sound good to mas. But you must danis with them me fella long big fella kastom festival whereby happen next week." Time Dolani hare Mama Nancy italem all same, hemi glad to mas. Mosta wish no more say day come hurry up. Now big fella day hemi come. Everyone long village only stop making preparation from kastom festival. All woman mo all girl only wear them casket. Mo all man mo all boy only parpar lo kaliko mo only ready blong danis. Now all fala Mama Nancy italem say, "Dolani, you ready? You glad blong danis today?" Now Dolani italem say, "Oh yes mama. Oh yes, me glad to mas." Time all man only start long sing, clap him hand mo stamp him leg long all keta long ground. Dolani hemi cham inside mo start fallen beat long kastom danis ya. Danis ya hemi look powerful to mas. Tam oli stop danis I go round. Tam oli stop clap him hand, mo stamp him leg plong all keta long ground. Weight plong all keta I shake him ground. Mo I make him heavy dust I get up. Long leg plong all keta I go anta plong sky. Mo all branch plong all big fala nampangka tree oli swing I go long every direction all same way kat one big fala cyclone. Mo small voice blong Dolani hemi give him one sweet melody long all sing while he stop singing. Time danis I finish, chief italem say, "Dolani, you so a mouth heart blong one true kastom girl." After long danis ya, everyone only go back long house blong all keta. Molly stop talk about small girl ya Dolani long all pikinini blong all keta. I make him say every pikinini long village ya, only got big fella interest. Mo only wantem long danis with them small Dolani long all narafala kastom festival where I stop come. So all pikinini, hemi en blong storian blong yumi. Wanem all lesson where you miss have a lanamad long storian blong kastom festival. Number 1. Yumi must proud from culture blong yumi. Kastom hemi part blong yumi. Time yumi lanem danis, sing mo storian blong before, yumi save huya yumi. Practice I mekem I look good more. Dolani I lanem every day. Time you work hard long want something, you save mekem I good more, even suppose you want small pikinini. Number 3, courage more confidence. No fright long lanem when you flash something. Time you believe long you want, you save make him one where you want them, you make him I good more. Mo last one, respect them all fala. Ol fala blong yumi olikat big fala safe. Tam yumi listen long ol keta, yumi grow long road blong kastom, we got peace more respect. Now all pikinini, me hope se storian blong kastom village, hemi give him few lesson lo yumi. Suppose you got Chinese blong meeting one friend blong you, no forget blong talem storian blong kastom village long him, mo invite them him blong tune in long pikinini corner long same time next week. Kasem time ya, me Sheila Rimala, good evening everyone. Pikinini corner.